The new version of Scoobe3D Precision has arrived, featuring improvements in hardware, software and the new handheld mode. We revamped the scan data capturing process, reducing the scan time from 50 minutes to just 5 minutes. This was achieved by switching to video capturing, enabling you to scan faster and more efficiently. But that's not all. We also introduced a highly anticipated feature, the handheld mode. This means you can take the device anywhere at any time and create 3D models on the go. The handheld mode provides unparalleled flexibility and convenience. As well as these exciting new features, you will also enjoy enhanced Wi-Fi, an upgraded battery and 2 new scan options. Partial scan mode and the option to rescan up to 5 positions. Get ready to unleash your creativity and capture stunning 3D scans with ease using the Scoobe3D scanner.